Real talk, kung gato kaganda yung rep ngayon, worth pa ba yung 100k sa legit? Solid pair, solid day everyone. Unbox natin tong Travis Scott Reverse Mocha LJR batch. Look at that packaging, grabe. Box pa lang, retail vibes na. Paper, branding, even the smell. The reverse swoosh, ganda ng curve. Not too low, not too aggressive. Proper placement, pwede pa ipasok sa legit check to at makalusot. Also check that suede bro. Active siya, may galaw, may buhay. Toe box, shape is clean, not bulky, not boxy. Tapos yung sole, creamy vintage look, not too white and not too yellow. Tongue is padded just right. Nike AirTag, perfectly stitched, centered, no floaty vibes. May Travis Scott pa sa loob, detailed, hindi print na mabubura agad. Check mo tong leather nila bro, as in soft to the touch, hindi stiff or plasticky. Butter talaga siya. Undersole stars, check the spacing. Pantay, clean, walang sabog, walang dikit-dikit. Let's check the left pair. Still the same quality kasi consistency is key. Yung heel tab naman, naka-frown. As it should be. Real pairs frown bro, hindi sila showbiz. Balik na natin sa box, complete accessories. Kung gato ka clean ang rep, do I even need to stress over resale? Hindi na bro.